Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayme and I am a mum with a budget. So thank you for joining me in today's video where I'm going to be doing my weekly check-in. I think we're checking in week 4. So we're doing the week 4 check-in for the month of August. So from what we can see, other than my already predetermined bills, it's only groceries that got spent money this week, that had money spent this week. I did also cancel my Woolies delivery, so that was $15 a month. Now that Keely's 5 months, she's a lot easier to take to the supermarket. So instead of getting them delivered, which I was only really doing once a month, and it was just to justify it, I'm now going to just do the order pickup in the drive-through that Woolies has, as well as doing little pickups along the way. So I don't really need this anymore. So I thought I could keep the extra $15 for the groceries and put it towards that as opposed to spending it on delivery. So yay, we gained $15. All right, so let's kick on over. So we are up to week 4. So pets, I can already tell you now, Pets has had nothing spent on it out of the money that I already had. So Pets has $55 left. So it's going to be going straight into the pet envelope, sorry. Unbudgeted, I didn't have any unbudgeted expenses this week, which is awesome. So we are also still sitting on 0. It's going to be a very short video, guys. It's really not much here, is it? And groceries. So let's go back through and count groceries. So I realized this amount was actually incorrect. I went through. So the reason why it ended up coming through funny was when I did the shopping this day, I actually had 3 different transactions on the same day for Woolies. So once I, pulled some things out because I had pet stuff added in. Only reason why that happened was because I ordered a delivery, half the stuff got cancelled because it wasn't in stock. So I ended up going to a different store which had it all there. So, and I did the pickup at that store. So, and then realised for the pickup, I forgot Keely's formula. So I had to go in the shop, did a pickup and got a delivery all on the same day. It was an expensive day that day, but I actually worked out I got the amounts wrong. So this negative that I had was incorrect. It wasn't actually that low. But I had Michael's 175 go in, and then, I didn't have any money left over from my portion, but I had Michael's go in. So Michael's go in. So let's go through. So we counted all these off, so we can tick these off. Utilities got paid. Oh, I wasn't supposed to tick that. That's okay. All right, so let's jump to where we are now. So we have, let's see, so 21.15 plus 52.15. So it was really only extra like little transactions that I was doing, which in the end they don't help at all. Like they keep the budget higher, I think, because I've been trying to do like little things where I do one big shop and then little ones through the week, and then, or, just doing little ones throughout the week. It's really not that much easier. All right, so we are sitting on, so we spent $216 on groceries, but remember we were in a negative. So I can tell you, without even going through and adding it, that I have hit 0 remaining. So there's nothing left in my envelope and my wallet. I have spent everything. Oh, there might be like $1.65 in my purse or, something, but I have spent it all. So there's exactly 0 left. There is still 55 in the pet envelope, and there wasn't anything unbudgeted. So that's awesome. So we've got that to roll over. So it's good that we've got such a big amount for pets, because I do really need to keep boosting that up. I really do want to have that maxed out before I start allocating it to other things. So I think once I fill pets, I might just start building up a buffer, just a general buffer in my wallet. So I'll keep, I think I'll keep my misc at 100, and then they'll start putting it in the buffers in the other envelopes that I've got in the other binder. So not every binder has a buffer, but there are some where I have popped a buffer tab envelope in, just so I can keep on track of everything. So we've got 1, and it'll be the 2nd of the 9th will be the last day. So that will be week 5. Awesome. And so coming up this week, we will be having a paycheck 3. So that will be going on this page here. So, as you can see there, the brightness difference between the two. So it'll also be interesting as well, because for paycheck 3, I have some that I reprinted out that I used when I made a big boo-boo on my other one. So you'll be able to see from there the big brightness difference between the blues. It's all the colours really. But yeah, I thought that would be kind of interesting just to show you what the actual brightness levels are on the proper kits compared to the ones that I've been using. So this kit again is available on my Etsy store. So the Etsy store for this one is Sticker Hive AU. It is not Mumma with a Budget. My sticker business is a hobby. It's not really a business, it's a hobby. Is completely separate to Mumma with a Budget. For those who are interested, it is also having a sale at the moment. So there is a Labor Day sale going on Etsy at the moment. So all orders over $30 will receive 20% off. So if you are interested in trying out one of the kits, do head on over, take advantage of that sale. It ends on the 3rd of September, and Mumma with the Budget also has the same discount as well. If you want to go ahead and, check something out, if there's something you've had your eye on, now's the time to snap it up while you can. It's 20% off. All right, so that is the check-in. The very, very swift check-in for August week 4. Thank you for joining me, guys. I'll see you in the next one.